Around this time of year, lots of people are making homemade candy, and plus they make the perfect gift too to give someone too. I'm going to show you how to make a peanut brittle, a keto peanut brittle that is. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and we're going to be making a 2-ingredient, sugar-free, sugar alcohol-free keto peanut brittle. Now to make this recipe, we will be using a ChocZero's caramel syrup. I love their line of syrups because they're sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. And then the other ingredient we're gonna be using is peanuts. So it's only 2 ingredients to make this wonderful peanut brittle. Now this peanut brittle, it might not look like your traditional peanut brittle. It's more of a glass type appearance, but it still tastes delicious. So let's get started. In a small saucepan, we're gonna add 1 bottle of ChocZero's caramel syrup. You wanna heat it up over medium heat until bubbles start to form. At that point, you'll only have around 4 or 5 minutes left of cooking, so you wanna make sure you have your pan prepared. So I have a pan that has a little layer of parchment paper on the bottom. We're gonna set that aside and have it ready to go. You want to keep stirring your peanut brittle just occasionally, just so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. But once your peanut brittle mixture starts to really bubble up into these big translucent bubbles and it starts to get a little stringy, at that point it's done. So we're going to add in our peanuts at this point, which will be around either a 1/4 cup or a 1/3 cup of peanuts. I recommend using like a salted, dry roasted peanut, but you could use unsalted as well. Just make sure you add a little pinch of salt to your peanut brittle mixture. Next, we're gonna pour it out onto our baking tray. So carefully spread it out with the back of a spoon or a spatula. It is very sticky and it's very hot, so try not to touch it. Once it's down into an even thin layer, then the next step is to wait, and you just have to let it cool. Let it cool for around 30 minutes, and then once it's hardened, you'll break it up into bite-sized chunks. Now this peanut brittle recipe is a hard candy, so I don't recommend eating it if you do have any sort of dental work done because you don't want to crack those things off. This peanut brittle is delicious and it's easy to make, and it only involves 2 ingredients. And we want to see your photos of your keto peanut brittle, so make sure you tag us, ChocZero.